G'day guys, welcome back to the channel ALFX Trading. Sorry I haven't posted for a while. Just been a bit busy over the Christmas break and whatnot. Today in this video I'm just going to go through my thoughts on the best way to approach trading and build your capital in the quickest way possible. And then I'm going to break down this trade on the screen here, which I've just recently taken. Basically, the biggest bit of advice that I can give is just to make the most of prop firms. Like being able to leverage and use a prop firm's cash is well and truly the quickest way to build your capital in the outset. Obviously, once you've got the capital, you want to start, getting into your own accounts where 100% of the profit is yours, because when you're trading with prop firms, you're obviously giving them, whether it's 10, 20, 30% of what you're making. So yeah, you just don't want to be stuck with your own cash to start with when you haven't got the resources for it. A $500 account, trading yourself, let's say you're going well, you're making 10% a month, that's only $50. Whereas, you can put that $500 into a FTMO account, for example. Like you do an FTMO challenge for $50,000 for that $500, you pass that, you're then trading $50,000 and 10% of that is $5,000 a month. Even with, let's say, 20% that you give back to FTMO, that's $1,000 out of your $5,000. You're still left with $4,000, which is definitely the quickest way to scale into trading. And then I'd say, once you make profits on a prop account, you basically just want to be taking some of that money, keeping it for yourself, obviously to pay yourself. And then I would recommend just putting small amounts each month, whether it's, half your profit, 40%, 30%, into your own personal account and just growing that sort of like an investment account. And then you just copy your trades from your FTMO account into your personal account and just slowly grow it over time until you feel comfortable that you've got enough capital in that account that you can then go and trade off by yourself. But yeah, I'd definitely always recommend starting out with a prop firm and then slowly working your way into your own personal account. Now, my other one bit of advice as well is you don't want to be wasting that money you get from trading, because when you go into trading a prop account, for a lot of people, that's a big step up from the cash they'll be able to use themselves. And if you're making 10%, whatever, it can be a decent income and you can tend to want to, spend it or whatever. But so you definitely just want to be sensible with it, put it in your own personal account and just use it as an investment over time. Now, the trade on the screen, I'll break down for you guys. Pretty straightforward trade, 1 hour chart to start with. I saw this level over here being created, saw price come up, break through the level, and I pretty much just waited for the retest. I sort of ignored this little price fluctuation here because that was obviously through news or some shock in the market. I started zooming in down the time frames, executed the trade on the 15-minute, saw price come back, bounce, came back for a second time, and then I entered on the bullish candle. You can see price did come back down. We went into a little bit of drawdown. It did look a little bit sketchy there for a bit, but price respected that level for the third time and then ended up taking this trade at 3-1. So very, very simple trade. Just two confluences for me on this one was the level of support and resistance, and then the double retest of the level showed that it was a strong level and 3% profit, 2% profit, sorry. So beautiful, beautiful trade. I won't be doing too much trading this week, so I've got a few things on, but great way to, end last week, and hope you guys can sort of start to understand the way I trade a bit more from these videos. But you can also see that I was purely looking at buy sells at this point because of the uptrend in the market. Always want to be trading with the momentum of the market. That's the biggest thing when it comes to trading, is you're more likely to take profitable trades when you're trading with the market. You don't want to try and force trades when they're not there. So I hope you guys have enjoyed just this short little video on my advice on how to scale into trading, and I'll see you guys in the next one.